Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to create custom site themes with Arc Boosts. So you can build custom site theme live. Okay, so just head to the website you want to redesign. Say we can just take this one, right? And then move your cursor up to the right side of the main URL container bar and click the site control panel icon. And then guys, as you can see, as shown in this little GIF on the official website, you just press on plus, choose new boost, and now we have this, as you can see, setting for colors. So as you can see, when they drag their mouse, the website is actually changing the color. So let's look at that again. So as they drag, as you can see, there are certain elements on the website that are actually changing the colors. Right, so also if you want a dedicated dark mode canvas, you just click on the light bulb icon to cleanly invert the brightness weights, also from the same menu. You can also use the slider controls right below to precisely dial in your contrast, brightness, and color saturation levels. And to finalize the layout typography, click the AA font selector menu in the center to force a fresh, clean system font across the entire page architecture. And also guys, every single edit you map logs onto that specific web domain, auto-loading a custom theme every time you browse back to the layout. That's it. Enjoy customizing your sites. If this helped, like and subscribe.